Quick video with 5 Rook endgame ideas that you must know. Here you have the 5 positions. If you already know them, you don't have to watch the rest of the video. If you don't, try to work on them for a little bit. And ultimately, if you cannot find it, then listen to the rest of what I have to say. So this is the first one, and the idea is very simple. I need to promote my pawn. So of course I need to consider pushing the pawn up and then check and I promote. The only problem is the king could hide like they typically do, right? Well, there's this resource in this position that you guys have to be familiar with it. And after we push the pawn, king needs to hide. And of course, there's no check, but we have this powerful move, pawn to c5. Now, if they take with the king, thank you, we go with check. If they take with the pawn, then we go with check to the b file, and then we promote. And of course, if they did not capture, well, my pawn